that I can see. Oh shit! Hi guys, good morning. So I went to my balcony today and I saw these rotten leaves and I wanted to clean them a little yesterday. That I pick up the extra leaves and extra things so I can actually see what's going on inside the plant. And so I picked these leaves up, and also, did I show you the leaf that is growing inside? The new leaves, basically. So this was a carnation seed I planted, and I ordered it off Amazon. So it came and I prepared the pot, and the stem basically was already existing in the plant. So I just watered the soil for 2 days so that it retains moisture because it was dead for a while now. And I put eggshells, like I ground the eggshells and put it inside the layer, and then I sowed the leaves, I mean the seeds in it. और फिर उसके बाद मैंने कंटिन्यूसली इसको वाटर किया था. द थिंग इज़ बेसिकली पहले 6-7 दिन nothing came out and I was sad because GPT told me specifically that within 7 to 8 days the carnation seeds germinate and you will be able to see something coming out. But I was not able to, so I lost hope कि नहीं ही आने वाला है कुछ. Also these eggshells, I basically eat eggs and save the eggshells and then let them dry off in sunlight, because then I will grind them into very thin powder like form once it completely dries and there is no moisture whatsoever. Moisture basically मेरे को किसी ने बताया था कि insects, I mean fungus और ये सब attract करता है. तो I let them completely dry off for 2-3 days, and then I will actually like grind them and put it in a jar. Anyway, back to the carnation. So फिर मैंने इसको sow कर दिया, and then it took 30, after losing hope, it took 13 days to actually see something coming out. I went for a wedding for 2 days, और जब मैं वापस आई तो आई वाज लाइक ओ शिट, इसको किसी ने वाटर नहीं किया है. एंड देन आई सॉ दीज टाइनी लीव्स एंड आई वाज जंपिंग ऑफ लाइक अ किड. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, आई वाज जंपिंग लाइक अ 2-year-old that I can see something. And I was so excited. I told my mother and she was like literally laughing on my face ki wow, I mean what the hell. Then I watered it daily, and then I ordered the wormy compost. So wormy compost 1 kg packet I ordered off Blinkit, and I put 2 tablespoons in every pot, because again I don't know any right amount or whatever is the right process to put the wormy compost. So I GPT'd again, and I saw कि मतलब I read कि कैसे करते हैं कैसे नहीं. ये वाला प्लांट भी जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा बैरन हो चुका है, तो आई विल जस्ट रिमूव द प्लांट. एंड कैन यू सी द वेरी टाइनी लीव्स दैट आर कमिंग फ्रॉम इट. एंड आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट श्योर कि ये ओल्ड प्लांट का है या ये न्यू प्लांट का है. मतलब आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली वाटरिंग इट, सो मे बी इट इज़ दैट. एंड I have actually got no clue. मतलब I'm so clueless that I have to second guess everything that I see, and I have to GPT everything. So this plant also was like lying down. Oh shit! I uh, wow, I have no clue कि ये कहाँ से आया है क्या नहीं है. This tiny baby leaf was not there 2 days ago, or even I didn't even notice it yesterday. And this plant has the same leaf that is growing, but वहाँ मैंने carnation सो करे थे, इधर मैंने कुछ सो नहीं करा है. तो किस बात के सीड्स है ये, और क्या प्लांट है ये, और ये क्या लीव्स है? आई हैव गॉट ज़ीरो क्लू. I mean, is it possible? I was seeing a video yesterday जहाँ पे he was showing off some tools. Also, हाँ, ये जो plant है, I will use. I ordered tools from Amazon, and they're coming in a while, like 2-3 days. So I'll be like loosening up the soil for future sowing of the seeds. And आई वॉज वॉचिंग अ वीडियो कल कि टूल्स यूज़ कैसे करते हैं, किस टूल का क्या यूज़ होता है, एंड आई विल बी डूइंग दैट सून. but I'm okay. People who garden and people who have knowledge, please comment and tell me कि क्या है वो, because the two tiny leaves that are coming out, are they like weeds or the extra plant that comes out sometimes? Is that, or is that a literal like carnation baby plant only? Because I can't figure out, and it is a little confusing क्योंकि do I have to remove it, do I have to not remove it, do I let it grow, is it really carnation, or was I just jumping around for nothing? Because मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि I was just watering it continuously, so something germinated of it on its own and it's coming out. But okay, let's see, once it grows then maybe कुछ तो फर्क दिखे या कुछ तो दिखेगा ही. So let's just water it now because I've cleaned it ऊपर ऊपर से जितना I could do. And oh, this tap is tight. Okay. I I think this is a small can because I need a lot of water to plant, like to water my plants, and sometimes I get like this can's empty pretty fast and I have to fill it twice or thrice maybe. Not thrice actually, twice only I have to do it. I just love the tulsi plant because it was grown when I already grown and no mehnat needed on it when I came out. When I actually like saw plants that कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. अब मुझे जेन्युइनली नहीं समझ आ रहा है. प्लीज़ 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 टेल मी. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हूँ कि ये क्या है क्या नहीं है. ओके, तो आई हैव कलेक्टेड ऑल द थिंग्स एंड आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ that tomorrow or day after tomorrow when the tools come, I will add more wormy compost to the plants and make the soil a little more fertile. And these are very cute leaves and I just am so obsessed, I can't stop looking at it. This also is a barren plant only, and let's see what happens in a few days because again it is a very lengthy process and it takes a huge amount of patience to water them daily and see the progress after weeks. And I can't even know ki is the right thing, is it the right thing that I'm doing or not. Anything that I do will be seen. I mean, it will be visible after a week at least कि मैंने क्या करा है और उसके बेसिस पे क्या होगा. वो एक हफ्ता लग जाएगा मुझे देखने में, तो मैं गेस भी नहीं कर सकती, मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती. ये वाले इस प्लांट में, दिस प्लांट पर्टिकुलरली हियर इज, I took coriander seeds from the kitchen. I grind it because मतलब मुझे नहीं पता क्या बोलते हैं यार. मेरे को अभी मैं इतनी कंफ्यूज हूँ, मेरी इंग्लिश भी इधर उधर हो चुकी है. बेसिकली मैंने मोटर और पेसल में, जिसमें वो इलायची खरीदते हैं चाय के लिए, उसमें मैंने ना स्प्लिट कर लिया था बिकॉज आई सॉ दैट इट इज़ ईजी टू जर्मिनेट दैट वे. एंड आई पुट, अभी तक तो कोई रिजल्ट आया नहीं है, तो आई थिंक वो फेल हो चुका है. एंड आई हैव टू पुट न्यू कोरिएंडर सीड्स इन इट. अब भाई मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हूँ. प्लीज़ हेल्प मी आउट, एनी बडी हु नोज, प्लीज़ हेल्प मी आउट. एंड मेरे पास ये वाले भी बहुत सारे प्लांट्स पड़े हैं. मतलब मम्मा यूज टू गार्डन अ लॉट, तो अब ये भी बैरन है. बट मम्मा ऑब्वियसली ऑफिस जाती है, तो मम्मा इज़ ऑल्सो वर्किंग, पापा इज़ ऑल्सो वर्किंग, तो मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है. अब धीरे धीरे करके ही होगा जो होगा. That's it for today. I'm tired now. I have to go. It's so hot outside. I just want to lay in my bed now. It's too hot today. So that's it. Please actually tell me if I can help the plants somewhere or the other, or I can do something that will help out. And about those leaves also. So, bye.